I'm testing and connecting the wind solar hybrid controller. I've been reading the manual to see the connections, and I've seen this is a dumb load. We're supposed to connect this first. I connected the battery first, but no harm was done. So this system initially, it is actually amazing. It shows now the voltage of the battery right now, and it always shows the power of the wind in watts, the power of the solar in watts, also an indicator of the battery, and if there is a load. Also shows you like the percentage, it's 44% in the battery. Shows you the amperage of the battery and the watts of the battery and the consumption in kilowatts per hour. Also shows that's the PV voltage and the amperage of the PV, which is the solar panels, in watts as well. And there is wind voltage for the wind and amperage of the wind power, which we're going to produce by our beloved turbine, in amps and in watts. So far I love this device, but this system uses something called the dumb load. So you connect the battery, the solar power, the wind power, of course 3-phase, and the load. But what is a dumb load? It's a giant resistor. So what this system does, like when the battery is charged and everything is charged and everything doesn't consume power and there's an extra power, and or like if there's this very strong wind, all the power dissipate here, like the extra power not needed dissipate in this giant resistor. It gets a bit warm, that's what I at least found out online, but it would never, like, they hardly fail. These are two 50 watts solar panels. I bought two because I want to occupy as much space in the base or the top as possible. Plus I need more power. So I bought these connectors. It's I think MC4 connectors, and I bought these adapters which combines the negatives and positives together. Now I have one terminal for both solar panels, and I have a wire that will connect to those positive and negative. Then I'll connect to the